Hey, let me show you 5 hidden features that you can actually find in the settings when you are using the smartphone with the HyperOS, so it will work for the Poco, Redmi and the Xiaomi. So first you will have to open the About phone and go into the detailed info and the specs. And from here we can actually enter the CIT menu. So when you keep tapping on the kernel version, you will enter this test CIT menu. So from here you can test almost every parameter of your phone. For example, the top speaker,
3, 8, 3.
That's also the microphone test. And we can scroll down and take a look for everything that we have on our phone. When you click on the 3 dots in the right upper corner, we can find some additional tools, and even we can calibrate the gyroscope by going right here. So that was the first menu. Next we can go back and we have to close this one, and here there's another feature. When you keep tapping on your CPU like this, you will be able to perform the bug report. So now when you open your notification panel, you will find that you create the bug report. Now when you click on it, you will be moved into the storage of your phone, and from here we can find these files with the bug report, so we can simply share it to someone. Now let's go back into the settings, because right here we can find other useful options, and from here when we keep tapping on the internal storage, we'll be able to open the device information. So there's like more detailed information from here of your phone, of your Wi-Fi network, for example the whole Wi-Fi config. And yeah, that's it. That's for this testing menu. So there's like 3 options. The last one will be, this third will be available when you keep tapping on the OS version. So you will enable the developer options, and you can find them for sure into the additional settings, scroll down and go into the developer options. So from here we can find a lot of options, like for example we can enable the USB debugging, you can enable the bootloader, turn on and off the demo mode, and other useful options. For example, you can show the refresh rate of your screen. And that's it. And the last option will be actually available just right here. So when you click on the search pool and type the game turbo, as you can see, you cannot find this feature. So it's hidden, but you can actually find it when you navigate into the more connectivity options. When you go for the wireless display, no, it wasn't actually in the wireless display, that's my bad. Yeah, we have to go for the cast. Yeah, that was here, the cast, go for the demos, and here we can actually locate the game turbo. So as you can see, it's actually available in the settings, but when you keep tapping on the game turbo, it will be not available. So when you click on it, you will open the game space, and from here you can actually activate the game turbo by clicking on this switcher. So yeah, that's all. The 5 hidden features that you can find on the settings when you are using smartphone with the HyperOS. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.